So welcome again back to Mao Graphics, where you learn Microsoft packages at the comfort of your home or office. So this is learning database part 4, and under part 4 we are going to look at design forms, form design. So this is what we are answering. You're going to create a form that can be used to populate the table. So to create a form, for example, this is the table, and then want a form that instead of coming to enter data from the table, you use the form. So you go to create and then form design, and then you click on add existing field, and this will appear. In most cases it appears like this. So you'll click once to show here, and then double click on each of these fields as they present themselves like that, and double click on each, and here you have a form created, just as simple as that. So from design, right click from here, go to form view, and you can enter your data. So this was already entered from the table, it appears here. So anything you enter from here, it appears on the table. Let me go to the next, the last, and then I can enter something here, say Matthew, the gender, you use this, and then the date of birth, put anything, and then contact 07 this 07 this. Okay, and then the district and department, and then basic salary, which is optional to put like that. So I can click next, and then I can put this if I wished it to, and then when I click next, now when I go back to the table here, it should automatically update. So you could close here, open the table, automatically updates the last one that I entered from the form. So that's how you can have a form that you can use to fill your table. Now the next one here is, you are also going to create a form that we can use to calculate the tax. So come to create form design, and then go to add existing field. This will appear, and then double click on each of these fields, and they'll appear like that. Now to create to calculate the tax, which is 15%, you come here. This one is text box, so you click on it, then come and draw it here. Behind here you'll call it tax. You remove this and call it tax. Then in front here put the equals, the formula equal sign in bracket 15 divide by 100 close brackets, then put asterisk, and then use this square bracket here, open square bracket, and then we are going to multiply it by basic salary. Copy this exactly the way it appears. So basic salary in capital letters, and even the spacing must be exactly like up there, and this is it. So when I go back to form view, you see that the first one will not appear because there is no basic salary, but when I go the next one, tax is here, the next one, like that. And then next here is add a new field to display education status. If all employees base salary, if employees base salary is above 700, that's a graduate, and then those below a diploma. So go back to this very form, right click, go to design view, and then add another text box here, and I'm going to call this text box education status. Education status, I am just abbreviating it, let me just call it status. And the formula is equal sign I if, that means double I and F, I if. Open brackets, and then use square bracket, open square bracket, and get basic salary the way it is typed up here, or in the field is title, basic salary, and then close the square bracket, greater or equals to 700, 1 2 3, don't use commas, in quotation should be called graduate, and then close quotation, comma, if not diploma. So in quotation, diploma, close quotation. Now close the brackets from that point. So when I go to form view, I'll see that this is a diploma, graduate, and like that. Next is centerline all the records in the unbound. So go to design view and then highlight, this is the unbound, this one here. So you click here, go to format, center, align. What is next is add relevant form button to ease navigation. So go to design here, up here on the menu. This is text box, this is label, and then this is a button. So you click on this and come and draw it here. When this appears, we are under record navigation because we are looking for what is navigation, not operation, neither this. So under navigation, this should take me next. Go to next record and then next here. I can use either this or a text, next record, or a picture. I'm going to use picture, next, and then finish. You can make it bigger if you want to, and then come and click another button for taking me to the previous. To come to this, go to previous, next, then I'm using picture and OK. Can still make it bigger. So that means when I go to form view, I can click on this to go next and click on this to go back. And finally, add a 3-point width of blue color towards your work, that's around your work. But then after that I will save. So go to design, from design then go to under here, I'll click this drop down arrow, I pick this rectangle and come and draw it around this work like this, everything is within it, and then remove this. I go and click property sheet, click on this border that I've just drawn, come on border with it, I want it to be 3 points, click on this and put 3 points, and then color, I'm going to put it to blue, and that's it. So when I come to form view, this is what I get. So simply that is it. I have a form there that I can use for many purposes. So after that, you just save this form, and that's the end of this video. So save the form. Thank you for watching. After this, we are going to report, and that will be the last part of database. So see you in the last video.